Imagine the excitement in a child's eyes as they get ready to start their very own lemonade stand. Today, we're diving into a super fun DIY project that brings entrepreneurial spirit and creativity to life. Let's make a lemonade stand from simple materials right at home. First, gather your supplies. 2 sturdy cardboard boxes, colorful paints, mark a tablecloth, cups, lemons, sugar, water, and a pitcher. With your materials ready, let's build the stand. Start by taping the cardboard boxes together to create a stable structure. This will be the foundation of your stand. Once the structure is secure, it's time to get creative. Use bright paints to decorate your stand. Add fun designs, and don't forget to make eye-catching signs and banners. Now set up your table. Place the tablecloth neatly over it, arrange your cups, pitcher, and ingredients. Display fresh lemons and your signs attractively to catch customers' eyes. Next, make the lemonade. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into the pitcher, add sugar and water, and stir well. Adjust the sweetness to your taste. For pricing and selling, set a fair price and make payment easy, either with cash or a mobile payment option. Finally, remember the key to success: friendly service and cleanliness. Your child will love the experience, serving happy customers and enjoying the entrepreneurial journey. Happy lemonade selling!